We're now just days away from the release of the first public beta of iOS 26. I know a lot of iOS users will want to update to the new iOS 26. They wanted to update to the betas, but of course, getting in on early betas is actually quite frustrating because the battery life won't be that good and you will have a few bugs here and there that will make your life like way worse, especially using it on daily basis. But now that we're close to the first public beta, it's basically time for anyone that wants to try this update to actually update their device. So how do you update to the first public beta of iOS 26? It is actually very simple. So first of all, make sure that you have done a few things. Back up your device. If you want to update, make sure you have your device backed up. Now everything should go smooth. This is not a complicated process. It's very simple. But just update your device. Just in case, make sure you have your device backed up either to your computer or to your iCloud. The next thing you want to make sure is, of course, that you have enough free storage. Now, iOS 26, once I installed the first beta that was released after WWDC 2025, it actually required quite a lot of storage. So make sure you have about 20 gigabytes of free storage on your iPhone before trying to install this on your device. Once you have done that, then the process is very simple. You need to make sure that you have enough battery to update and then simply go to the software update page. Now right here where it says beta updates, you will go here and you will see two different options. Currently I have only the dev beta. Once iOS 26 public beta is out, you will see that option right here. Now, if you're currently on iOS 18, of course, you will also see the iOS 18 beta options, but you don't need to actually bother with them. You just go ahead and select the iOS 26 public beta. Select that, go back here, refresh the page, and they will have the update for iOS 26. From there, all you have to do is just tap the install button, wait for the process to finish. Everything, of course, will be automatic. You don't have to bother with anything there. And in a few minutes, you will have the first public beta of iOS 26 installed on your device. Now, if you're currently on the betas of iOS 26, the dev betas, there's no reason to install the public beta, even though you cannot do that because always the dev betas are released before the public betas. So basically, the public beta will go like hand in hand with the third beta, the third dev beta of iOS 26, and it comes out a week before. So once the public beta is out, you already will have the third beta on your device, so there will be no update. So just don't bother with that, trying to switch to the public beta or something like that. It's basically the same thing. You will just get it a few days earlier. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and of course subscribe for more videos. And I will see you guys on the next one.